First open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Power option. Click on Change Plan Setting. Click on Change Advanced Power Setting. Expand PCI Express. Expand Link State Power Management. Click on Moderate Power Setting. Select Off. Press Apply and then OK. Now your problem should be fixed.